Hey everyone, today I'm going to talk about a new toiletry bag that I just got, and I'm really excited about it. I'm going to discuss its features, see how much I can fit into the bag, and then at the end give it a review, so if you're looking for a new toiletry bag, you can decide if this is the one for you. The company is called EverFun, and it is a hanging toiletry bag, which I'm really excited about because my last one wasn't, and I really missed that feature. But first, I want to thank Level 8 for gifting me this toiletry bag in exchange for my honest review. Also, if you do decide to purchase this bag, there is a link in the description box below. You can also use this coupon code for 20% off this bag in any available color. First off, this bag is a very decent size, so I think I'm going to be able to fit a lot into it. When it's closed, it is 12 inches by 9 inches by 4.5 inches wide. And when I unfold it and hang it up, it's actually about 35 inches in length. It does have 4 compartments, and in those 4 compartments are 12 pouches. The first and last compartments are leak-proof. The last pouch is actually great to use for any wet items such as a wet washcloth or a toothbrush that you need to pack before it's dry. The hook is 360 degrees, so it can turn in any direction to fit in any space, which is really nice in case you're in some sort of a hotel room where the hook is right against the wall and you can flip it around and hang it up. Also, the exterior has another large compartment where you can put large makeup palettes in. It also has a water-resistant exterior, so if you sit it on a wet bathroom counter, it's going to stay dry. Okay, so these are all the toiletries I'm going to see if I can fit into this bag. It's pretty much everything I travel with. I do typically travel with shampoo and conditioner bars if I'm going carry-on only, but for the sake of this video, I'm going to do full-size shampoo bottles and to see if they fit. And then it's everything, my shampoo, my body wash, my makeup, my serums, lotion, all these things that I typically carry in my toiletry kit. We're gonna make all this fit if we can. And then this pink bag down here is actually all my makeup. And we're just gonna leave it in that bag, I think, but let's see how we make this work. Okay, so I have the bag hanging up. I think it's gonna be easier to pack that way, but also I wanted to be able to show you the whole thing at once. I'm using my tripod for my camera to hold it up, but whatever works. All right, so I'm just gonna go ahead and start putting all of that stuff in there that I showed you, and we'll see if we can make it fit. All right, now let's see if we can zip this up. That folds in. This folds in, and notice I left this empty to use for anything wet that I may have later. Obviously, I don't have my toothbrush and toothpaste in yet, but I have everything else that I need, and this seems to zip up pretty easily. So that tells me that there is still room, which means my toothbrush and toothpaste will fit nicely. And then we'll put this right here on the outside and everything fits. And it was really easy to zip up, so that was really nice too. I think there's room. There's no issue with me trying to put my toothbrush and toothpaste in there. That will absolutely fit. So it all fit, guys. The quality of the bag is really durable. The last one I had, I wore out in less than 2 years, so I really feel like this one's gonna last longer. For the most part, the zippers move really freely. There is one zipper that right here in the corner, it gets stuck sometimes, but I think that's just the angle because I don't have any issues with any of the other zippers. And I do love that the hook has a little spot you can slide it into so it doesn't hang loosely in the bag. I used to have one where it just hung around and it was very annoying. I also like that it's large enough that you can fit full-size shampoo and conditioner bottles in here. And on trips where I fly and I'm carry-on only and I pack my shampoo or conditioner bars, I'm going to have a lot more space in there, so that is really exciting. And actually, when I pull all my liquids out, because I'm traveling carry-on only, it's going to have a lot more space, and I'll be able to fit things like a hairbrush in there as well. I do appreciate the clear walls on the inside so you can see everything. It does make it easier to get to, and the fact that the bag completely opens up makes it a lot easier to access everything inside. There's nothing worse than a bag that barely opens. Now the cons, the only thing I'm really missing is a place for my makeup brushes. I'm either going to need to reorganize the bag and find a place for them, put them in the wet pouch at the bottom, or use another bag, which none of those are deal breakers, but it is something to think about. Overall, I'm really looking forward to using this bag on my next trip. And again, I want to thank Level 8 for sending me this bag. Don't forget to use this coupon code for 20% off this bag when you order, and the link for the bag is in the description box below. If you want to see some of my other Amazon travel favorites, I will link a playlist at the end of this video. But that's it for this video, so don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks for watching. I'll see you later.